Okay, so we say x comma y. Okay, and what 5 numbers do we use?
-2, -1, 0, 1.
Good. Okay, and then we're just going to type that in the way that it looks. You're going to say 1/3 on your calculator times 2 to the x power. And our first one is going to be what?
Less than 0.003.
So we're looking at the number that's attached to the x. So this is going to be growth. So our graph should look like this when we're all said and done.
0.083.
0.083.
0.083. Okay, what about at -1?
0.6.
0.6.
1.6.
1.6. Hmm?
0.3.
0.
I've had 0.5. Oh no, I'm tripping.
Okay. 0.3.
0.6.
You sure about that one?
Yeah. And then 1.3.
Somebody else got those numbers?
Yeah.
I don't feel like the last two are right, but that could be. Okay, so here's where most of you guys got all this part fine, just fine yesterday. Okay, it's the graphing. Okay, so you're only ever going to graph on these 5 points: -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, these are the only points you graph. So it's just a matter of where you go up. And because this is growth, that means that your point should increase each time. So the first one, I would start off pretty much at the 0. Okay. The second one, so this is like 8 cents. This is like 16 cents. This is like 30 cents, 60 cents, and then $1.30. Okay, so they're going to increase very slowly, but they are increasing. Okay, so we got 1.6. That's going to go up a little higher. 0.3. Okay, and then 0.6, and then at 2, it's going to be at 1.3. Okay, so this one is growing, but it's growing very small. Okay, and then obviously, what's the rule? Is this appropriate? No. What does it need to look like?
Continuing arrows.
It needs to be continuing, okay, and it should have 2 arrows on both sides. Some of you guys yesterday, I don't know how, drew me a graph. There was literally no dots, no nothing. So what's that tell me?
Yeah.
You didn't do it, bro. You tried to draw a picture.
Who did it? Keep telling.
It was about 3 of you guys. So,
You did that. I was.
okay, so, and then some people just left their whole sheet blank. So, okay, so make sure that you definitely have some dots on there, and you should definitely have your chart. Okay, the chart is non-negotiable. You need to have the chart on there. Okay, look at 3. We're going to say x, y, and we're still going to use -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, what number are we going to get at -2? 18? Is this growth or decay? Does 18 make sense? That means I start my first point way up here. What is this? Is this growth or decay? Decay. So it should start off high and then go really low. Okay? And that's why I tell you should know what growth and decay look like, so you kind of know if you typed it in right. Okay? What is that -1? 6?
Already.
Erica, help him out.
2.
2?
0.6.
0.6?
0.2.
0.2?
Right here on the pay later, you explain it. You basically just put negative.
Okay, so we're going to start off at -2 and then go up 18. Okay, -1 and 6, 0 and 2, 1 and 0.6, and 2 and 0.2. Okay, and then we can go ahead and draw our picture.
So sometimes if it's like a fraction, that's this one. People see the decimal. Basically just go that way.
After you do that,
Okay, what is the y-intercept? What's the y-intercept?
2.
It's at 2. Okay, next week you guys are gonna have a quiz, so make sure, and it's gonna say on there like which one's the y-intercept, okay? So make sure that you understand that it's where it crosses the y line or where it's at 0, okay? So, okay, 5. Is this growth or decay? Let's go, get on 5. Is it decay or growth? What number are we looking at? The 1/2, okay? So, we got x, y, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2.
It's gonna be on 6. Not on it.
The first one, right?
Yeah. My bad, I was trying to help you.
I know. What did I do with you doing this one?
I wasn't doing it. You literally saw, I've been done that.
Yeah.
Like you do everything.
Okay, what'd you get for number -2?
So basically,
1.3?
We gotta put in 1/3.
Huh?
We gotta put in 1/3 times.
1/2 to the -2 power. Boys, I get the camera on. Talk quiet. That's all I'm saying. 0.6 at 0. Zero 0.3.
Maybe.
0.16. You guys better hope these are right. Only one person's typing. And at 2. 0.083.
Not gonna lie to you, can't.
Okay, so at -2, we're at like $1.30. Okay, so that's gonna be about here. Okay, at -1, we're at 0.6, so that's about here. At the y-intercept, we're at 0.3, 0.16, and 0.83. This is a very small graph. Okay, yesterday we talked about if I saved 1 penny on Monday, and I saved 2 pennies on Tuesday, and 3 pennies on Wednesday, and 4 pennies on Friday, okay, would I eventually be a millionaire? Yeah, but it's gonna take me a long time, okay? That's what's happening here, okay? So, yes, you would eventually be a millionaire, but it's gonna take you a very, very long time, okay? Probably your whole lifetime. I don't even know if you would get a millionaire by then, okay? Okay, look at 7. Is this gonna be growth or decay? Growth. What number are we looking at?
5.
The 5. Okay, so it's gonna be growth.
Joe.
0. Point what?
Nah, I did number 1 first. I did -1 first. I'm negative 1.
Okay.
0.01.
0.01. Okay.
Wait, that don't make sense.
0.05.
I got for that.
0.05.
No, no, too bad.
0.15. 25? Sorry.
1.25.
There you go.
For the next one, 1.25.
6.25.
6.25. How much money do they have here? 1 cent. How much do they have here?
5
5 cents.
cents. Isn't it?
25 cents. $1.25 and 6.25. Okay, decimals are just like money. Okay, so we start off with 1 penny. Is that almost $0?
Yeah.
Yeah, dang near. So it should be like there. Okay, and then we go up 5 cents, and then we have 25 cents. Okay, and then I have $1.25, and then I have $6.25. Okay, so they are increasing. Okay, but they're increasing very small.
It would take 6.